Why?
No.
Tell them that it's human nature. Why does she do me that way? And say why? Tell them that it's human nature.
You know when people close their eyes and they sing and they actually think they sound good? That's them like, oh yes, I'm concentrating because I sound so good. No.
It's cruise day. Oh yeah. Okay, so mom and daddy are with us. I'm getting ready to go drop them off at the port and then come back and come get Dana, because there is no way all four of us and all of our luggage can fit in this Jeep Cherokee, not Grand Cherokee, and go to the port all together. Look at all this luggage. Do you see that? There are 2 bags here and a chair. Mama's supposed to fit in this little hole right here. She's in the store right now. She's supposed to fit in that little hole right there. And then there's more luggage back there. I don't know if you can see it. There's like 3 bags back there. There's no way. And then daddy sit up front and me up here. There's no way all of us could fit in here and go to the port at the same time. So, just wanted to show you that. Just sometimes you gotta make multiple trips, right? But who cares? As long as we get there safely, it's all that matters.
It's cruise day. What? But I'm here in the hotel and my husband and his parents have left me. But for real, they went to go take all of our baggage and he's going to drop his parents off at the port. Unfortunately, the rental car we got is too small for all of us and all my mother-in-law's baggage. That's right, I said it. So I'm hanging back at the hotel and he's going to come back and get me after he drops them off, and I will get to go to the cruise port. In the meantime, nope, haven't done my hair, nothing, because I figure I have plenty of time, which means I'll probably be late.
So we just went to budget rental car to go drop off the vehicle. The guy wanted to charge us $10 a gallon, and we had a half a tank. It's been about 7 gallons that we had to put in this car. I ain't paying $70 for no gas for a car that I don't even like.
Okay guys, this convenience store, they must be in cahoots with budget because it's a ripoff. Gas here is $3.59. Gas literally across the street is $2.89.
$23.65 versus $70.
And it could have been $18 and some change. We took it on across the street. It still made no sense. Dropping off this car because it keeps making noise because it's broke. It wasn't too bad. We actually got out of the car and was able to get the shuttle.
Wait about 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Not even that. Pretty easy. So
I will say, drop your luggage off if you can first.
Good idea. And then go and get the shuttle.
Did you get a balcony or?
Because you won't have to worry about all your luggage.
You'll love that.
Getting in and out. And as you can see, we are full. We are full. We finally made it to the cruise port. Hello.
Welcome to the Symphony.
Thank you. As long as you've checked in early and you have your set sail pass on your phone and your passport, you'll be able to get through no problem. So that's important. Make sure you check in early. She just looked at it really fast for like 2 seconds and that was it. So now we're gonna go through security.
That's it, pass, man. You got it?
Yep.
Any of these lines will work.
Okay, thank you. We're walking the gateway. We're on board. And look who is on the boat before us. Mama and Daddy. Sitting right here. We finally made it. You like that?
Yeah. I would zip line.
No. You gonna do that? There's the doghouse. The coleslaw, it has raisins in it.
Did you get your mama coleslaw?
Yeah.
I love raisins in my coleslaw.
No, Karen, you do not. You do not.
Wow. Oh yeah.
Okay, Mama.
Yes.
So you are on the ship.
Yes.
You've been here about a couple hours.
Yes.
And what is your first impression?
Amazing.
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 What do you like the most so far? What you seen?
Well, I've only seen people. I've been people watching.
Are the people amazing?
Well, yeah, most of them. Most of them are amazing.
Okay.
And then, I guess you say my hot dog I just ate.
Oh yeah, the hot dog is
Yes.
good.
And the
doghouse.
coleslaw with the raisins.
With raisins in the coleslaw.
The raisins. My favorite.
Okay.
So, you know, other than that, I'm just chilling.
She's just chilling.
Just chilling.
Now we're getting ready to go to Central Park and go check that out and see what's going on over there.
This is just like a real park.
Uh-huh.
This is awesome. I got that plant in my bed. But it ain't nothing like that. I need to have them teach me how to grow it.
How to keep them alive.
Exactly.
So we're down here at the muster station. You know, where they just go through the lifeboat drill basically and what to do in emergency. We're at B1, which is in the Royal Theater. So if you're at B1 or B2, you'll be in the Royal Theater. So nice theater, and we'll see you guys a little bit later after we do the muster drill. We get ready to leave.
Now walk it by yourself. Right foot, let's stop. Left foot, let's stop. Cha-cha, real smooth.
Alright guys, so I just dropped off Mom and Dad to their room. We hope you enjoyed that video. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know we post new videos every Thursday. We got more stuff coming up from Symphony of the Seas. Have a great day.